Oh, guy, fit like a diamond. We're gonna do some more of this compact now. Exhaust was terrible. Craig said it wasn't him who welded it, but we'll see. There was a lot of bird poop involved, so we're redoing the exhaust quite a lot. Pretty much a whole new system. And I need to take a rear subframe off as well, so see how far we can get. I'll show you the exhaust now. Right, so I've pretty much tacked up the exhaust, but this was the old one. Look at that. I don't know what that is, and they don't know. They must have. I don't know how they got lammed in there. Anyway, this was the front. That's the back. The back is okay because it's all like standard still, but the exhaust tip was all like squished there. Oh, it's so heavy, that thing. So this is a new one anyway. I had to chop it off here, but it's probably a good thing because it's a lot of bird poop again. Like, I don't know what they were doing there. So I'm going to chop off a bit more here and off of there, and I'm going to redo this because I've only got one of these on because the other one's still attached to the car because I couldn't get the bolt off. So what I'm going to do is take the manifolds off the car and chop both of these off, and I've got Mishimoto V-bands coming, and I'll also put a flex in both of the pipes, and then yeah, connect all this back up. But yeah, I've made this system here. This is actually like an old JZ exhaust system off an E46, so I've just kind of chopped it to make it work. And then it's actually quite a big tip. It's like a big 4-inch bloody thing in the back, so it just ends just before the diff. So yeah, I'm gonna TIG all this up, kind of that join, and that one I'll TIG it up, and then the rest I'll just have to make because it's just mild steel. Okay, that's kind of the exhaust welded, like 70% of it. I'm waiting for some bits now. Is my beard brown or what? I don't know, it looks weird in this light. Anyway, look what this guy was doing. I don't know who welded it. Craig said it's not him, but whatever guy welded it should be ashamed. Like, he liked putting tubes in tubes. Look at this, what I found. This was on the end of, you know, your manifolds here, and then yeah, it looks okay from there, but that was on like that. So yeah, I don't know, I think he was, look at that. My word. Guy must have his eyes shut. And then there was the same here as well. It was, I've got the outer sleeve out, and then yeah, all this was inside. Look at it. That wasn't even me that made the pipe not round anymore. There was another pipe around that one. Probably this. No, I don't know, that was mental, like. So yeah, a bit restrictive and stuff like that. Especially stuff like that. Just the exhaust gas is going to go round and into each pipe before it goes out, but gonna fix all that. Okay, so pretty much there was where that was fitted. So this is what we've got now. I've only got one back box, it's absolutely tiny, so I think I'm gonna add another one in here because I don't want it too loud because it's a daily. So I'll grab that on Monday, Saturday today. So yeah, that'll fix that, and then I've got some bits that I'm waiting to kind of join up the front bit, and I need to take off this bit. Look, there's a tube in a tube again. I need to try and get that off of there, but manifolds are gonna have to come off. Well, like, so this is like a week later now from just TIG welding the exhaust. So I got some Mishimoto V-band clamps, and I got some flexies and a center pipe, like center silencer thing. So yeah, I'll show you now because I've pretty much finished the exhaust. I just need to fit it. So I've just been kind of an hour or two after work. I've just been working on this thing, so I just didn't video, but yeah, let's look at the exhaust. Here we are. So this is exhaust now. So this is the front header with a V-band on here. So yeah, I just kind of chopped and cut it to make it work. V-band on here just so I can get it off easy, so I've welded that one onto there. V-band here, and then 2 flexes comes along here into a silencer that I got from work that was cheap, and that was an old silencer. This is kind of a mix and match from a 2J M3 that I got from Shiftworks. So I got given it because he's a subscriber, so yeah, it was really handy. So I already had kind of that bit, and you seen me welding the 4-inch bit, and this kind of bit was from his one, and this bit was from the car originally. So it's a mix and match of like 3 things now. But yeah, does the job. Let's get on the car, see what it looks like. Yo, so that is the exhaust done. We've got the Mishimoto V-bands there. They're really good. They were only like 23 quid or something each, and they're proper V-bands. Like, they've got the little notch inside so they kind of don't move, and they're also like a quick latch. I can show you that after I talk about this. But yeah, we got the 2 flexes on there, goes all the way down, and then out to the 4-inch. Buff. Look at that bad boy. I think I can get my fist in that. I do. My fist is in. That's a big bad boy there. Right, so let's talk about V-bands. So that's quick release. Just this thing on here is quick release. Let me see if I can get it back on. There you go. So that's it on there. So once you loosen it off a little bit, you can just flick that open. Your V-band's good to go. Now, the next thing that's good about Mishimoto V-bands and quality ones is it's got a little insert there for your pipe to go in so you can get a nice weld, but it's actually on this side where there's a groove. So that's a female one, and this is a male one. So then when they slot together, they don't come off. So yeah, you can like press on here and here, and they don't separate. So that's good for aligning when you're making an exhaust. So yeah, that's V-bands for you. Alright, so yeah, let's get it down and start up and see what she sounds like. Probably sound terrible, maybe, I don't know. Nah, it should be quite quiet. Okay, let's see how this goes. It's not too loud. I was hoping that would be quieter, but let's see. Coming off the exhaust, all the oil. Lovely. Okay then, so that is the exhaust done. You would have seen V-banded the manifold. They were just small ones. They were Mishimoto ones, so I'll link them in the description. They go really good. I think it's E46 headers I used, and I just kind of modified them to kind of go down into the tunnel. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description for the V-bands. Everything else, it was pretty much second hand, just what I had laying around. But yeah, on the next episode, you'll see me fitting these M3 fenders and some new wheels that you might have just seen there. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel so you get a notification for the next video. Bye!
The deaf and friend, that she who's all the way. When I'm flat to the man with the party hat, some men for the 10. Well, not that we were.